Ever wonder how some creatures light up the ocean's darkest depths? Let's dive into the world of bioluminescence. Fireflies light up summer nights with their bioluminescent tails, creating a magical atmosphere in backyards around the world. Deep in the ocean, anglerfish use a glowing lure to attract their prey, a fascinating example of bioluminescence in action. Glowworms turn caves into starry nights, creating a surreal experience with their bioluminescent bodies. The vampire squid, with its bioluminescent blue eyes, lights up the abyss, using light for communication rather than predation. Certain types of fungi found in forests emit a faint, eerie glow, creating a mystical landscape on the forest floor. From the ocean's depths to our backyards, bioluminescence fascinates and illuminates the natural world in incredible ways.